People can be such hypocrites at times. Like, I know you guys have all probably heard of her by now. Her name is Eugenia Cooley. She's like really, really skinny, and everyone's worried about that she's anorexia or, you know, a health problem or something wrong with her. And they're so worried about it. They're so stressed out, and, you know, so making all these videos like, oh my God, I hope you're okay. And it seems like they only care if she fits a certain mold. Like, you can have an eating disorder and be any kind, like be fat, be skinny, be a male, be anything. But they seem to only care about the ones that are very frail and fragile little like doughs that we care about. And it's like, it's even in such a horrible place that you don't want to be, in this eating disorder land, it's still like the pretty ones are the only ones that we care about. If you are not like socially acceptable in the way you look, we still don't give a fuck about you if you have an eating disorder. Like, it's your own goddamn fault. And Anision made a video about it, and it's like, really, dude, like, you've made some harsh ass videos about fat people, how they're just pretty much gross, lazy meat eaters and they deserve everything they get. But this girl who is still doing something very unhealthy for herself and not being a healthy person, oh, you're so worried about her. And it's like, that's such bullshit. Like, that's total bullshit. Like, we should actually care about everyone. And it comes in all different kinds of forms. But it seems like as long as they, you know, as long as they're skinny and they're fawny and they're, you know, someone you have to take care of, you can care about them. But if they're fat, fuck them, man. They deserve everything they get. You know, if they're male, that's a whole, fuck you. You're male, dude. Man up, dude. Fuck it. Like, that's such a bullshit. Like, we should be caring about everybody. And an eating disorder is a sign of something else, obviously. Like, a lot of people that are anorexic or bulimic have a control issue. They have, it's a coping mechanisms. Like, it's the same thing with sex, drugs, all those kind of things. They're coping mechanisms. Someone who is anorexic, bulimic, those kind of things, yeah, it starts with a desire to be skinny, but it usually ends up a desire to control your life, to be able to control something about yourself. The same thing with someone who has binge eating disorder. It's a way of eating your emotions. Like, for me, it was always sex, drugs, or food. If I was really, really depressed or like suicidal, that's what I ran to. And, you know, yeah, I'm correcting that behavior, and I'm not doing drugs anymore, and I'm not, you know, binge eating and, you know, whatever, but it's still a disorder. And it's like really sad that we're knocking out a whole section of this community that we could all use together to sort of group together and help each other because you don't fit the molds. Like, someone I follow a lot that I really respect is of average weight, but she's actually anorexic. She's, you know, has all the issues with being anorexic and bulimic, and she's seen as like, oh, she's fine because she looks fine. And it's like, you can't judge someone's health on how they look. And I hate that statement usually, because usually that is said when someone is like 600 pounds. They're like, oh, well, you can't tell health by how I look. Well, you can. If someone is that large, yeah, there's probably a health issue. But when someone is that large, that's usually an eating disorder. If you are 700, 600 pounds, you have an eating disorder. You are eating to fill some kind of hole. If you are 98, 80 pounds, you probably, same thing, are restricting to fill something. You know, it's still the same, it's the same thing. It's on just different spectrums. So why do you only care about the little fawny, like, weak looking, you know, little girls, and not give any fucks about the other people that are struggling with it? It's just, it's really sad, because it's like, this is a disease. Like, eating disorders are disorders, and we only seem to care about a certain type. Oh well, right?